In today's video, we will know about romance. So, what is romance actually? Romance is an extended work of fiction either in prose or in verse that deals with high adventure, thwarted love, mysterious circumstances, arduous quests, and improbable triumphs. It is a form of medieval narrative in which a brave and chivalric knight moves from place to place in search of extravagant adventures and finally wins the favor of a courtly lady. The romance is a different form from the novel in the sense that a novel deals with realistic picture of a society while a romance gives emphasis on imaginary. It is different from an epic because an epic exerts the struggles associated with a heroic era of tribal warfare, but the romance versions to a courtly era associated with chivalry. Sir Thomas Malory's Morte d'Arthur is a famous romance in prose. Sir Gawain's and the Greek Knight is a romance in verse. So that's all for today. Thank you.